Welcome back to your financial update for Saturday, May 9th, 2020. Several things have gone on. Elon Musk opened his mouth again and sent some tweets. The Dow closed even higher than yesterday when I first had reported. And Trump has given some insight into what he would like to see happen next with the stimulus packages. So to start with Elon Musk, as you remember, earlier in the week or a week ago, more or less, Musk sent out a tweet and said Tesla stock price was too high. Stock tanks about 10%. Okay, big deal. Fast forward a week to end of yesterday, stock's up 16% from when it tanked. It's gained more than where it was previously when it tanked. And the factories aren't even open making cars here in the United States right now. And that's what got Elon Musk so upset today, is that California, the county where the factory and headquarters is, aren't letting him and his people get back to work. And so he said he's going to sue them and that he's going to move the headquarters and possibly the factory here, presumably soon, to either Nevada or Texas. And he said the future of the factory in California is based on how he's treated and how Tesla is treated in California. The Dow ended up closing yesterday 455 points up on the day, almost 2% up, which is absolutely phenomenal. It's great news. I think that puts the Dow, I didn't check, but I think that puts the Dow only down like 12 or 13% on the year. So as oil fell to a low about 2 weeks ago, and then it had a huge climb for about a week and a half or so, and this week it's remained about even. We've dropped $2 a barrel here in the US, but not a huge deal. It's doing all right. Trump has said two things. One of those is that he wants to buy $3 billion worth of agricultural products such as dairy, meats, other products produced by the farmers to help them. There's a huge excess of certain products in the farming industry because people just haven't been consuming the same at restaurants and other things like that. Second thing is that yesterday in a briefing, Trump has said that he would like to see more payroll tax cuts and capital gains tax cuts. That's what he would like to push for. Who knows what will really happen? It's not just his choice. It's not just one branch's choice. The House, the Senate, and the President all have to agree on it, and they got to come together on it. So I'm sure it'll be a little mixture of everything, but that's what Trump's looking at. Obviously, the Senate had a bill proposed yesterday for $2,000 a month for every single person. So we'll see what will happen, and I will see you guys on Monday for your next episode of your financial update. So take care, comb your hair, and I'll see you on Monday.